back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be giving you guys a house tour of my new house I built in Minecraft. I also got some help from Shlok, from Vedanto Shlok, his and his brother's channel, and I'll link it in the description box. So let's get started with the house tour. So I have two doors. This is how the first floor looks like, fully. So there's a black carpet, one living room with 3 side tables and 2 chairs, and a TV. And then here is a dining table and the kitchen, almost right next to the dining table. Then this is like some flower pots on top of a dresser and a gray carpet and 2 chairs. So this is how the first floor looks like, fully. And if you guys didn't notice, I made the flooring all white. So now we go back into this area, and then we close that, and then we get up. This is a water elevator, by the way. And then this is my room. I'm not going to show you my whole room yet until I show you everything in it. I'll show you the full room altogether. So I have a dressing table with 2 torches and 2 flowers and a gray carpet. If you probably didn't know, but I was actually going for the theme. I was trying to make it modern looking. Then here is again a middle table, 2 couches, and it's like a mini library, and the carpet. And then here it's like another middle table in the middle of the room with the carpet on it, because it looked kind of empty, the middle part of the room, if you didn't add something in the middle. So I decided to add like a table. And then here comes my bed. So there are 2 black carpets on the side of the bed, and then we also have 2 torches on top of the 2 side tables next to the bed. And then over here, actually, this is like a couch. These I've seen on beds like where there's a couch on the very end of the bed, so I decided to make one too. And then here is a balcony with a carpet as usual. And the view is yeah, it's grass. All grass. Okay, and now we're gonna go back downstairs to the backyard. So this is the entrance for the backyard. I don't want to show you the whole backyard yet either. So I'll only show you this much right now. So these are 4 flowers in pots again, and then a carpet. And then here is a campfire. And then over here comes a jacuzzi. You can actually splash on this. And I also got some sea lanterns on the bottom. They kind of bright up, they like give some light. And that's why I have some in my living room in the first floor, because it gets kind of dark because I put a roof on top. Or not a roof, a second layer. So yeah, guys, this is my whole house. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!